Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Have you ever entered a trade thinking the trend will continue only to watch the market reverse against you? Well, you're not alone, I can assure you that. So now spotting trend reversals is one of the most important skills that a trader can master. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using price action strategies. No indicators, just pure price action, right? Pure market movement. Okay, so let's just quickly get into it. Now, reversals happen when market sentiment shifts. Okay, it happens when market sentiment shifts, turning an uptrend into a downtrend or vice versa. Now, if you can catch these trend reversals early, you're going to get better trade entries and avoid getting caught in the wrong directions. Now, many traders rely too much on indicators like RSI or MACD, but the truth is, price action tells you everything you need to know. All right, price action actually tells you everything you need to know. Okay, now the market leaves clues. All right, your job is to read them. So let's just break down the most important, or rather the some of the effective price action strategies to identify reversals before they happen. Now, the first we're going to be talking about is candlestick reversal patterns. Okay, the first thing to watch for is reversal candlestick patterns. Now, some of the most reliable ones include engulfing candlestick, right? Engulfing candlestick, it's a strong candle that fully engulfs the previous one, signaling a shift in momentum. Just trying to find an example real quick. Okay, we can see that we have a bearish engulfing. There are bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing, or as the name implies, is a bear candle that swallows up the previous bull candle, while bullish engulfing is a bull candle that swallows up the previous bear candle. Okay, and then another candlestick reversal pattern is the pin bar. Is the pin bar, right? That we have hammer and shooting star. Now, a pin bar, we can see this is a pin bar or this is a hammer, right? It happens when a long wick rejecting a key level. You can see this is a trend line, right? This is a trend line support. And we can see this long wick being rejected around this trend line support, indicating that price may reverse, or if it's in the direction of the trend, that price may continue in the direction of the trend, and that's exactly what happened. Now, we also have the evening star and morning star. Now, the evening star and morning star are three candle formations. They come in three candles. Okay, they come in three candles. I'm just checking if I can find one real quick. Okay, let me just quickly check if I can find another. All right, I think we have a morning star around here. Now, a morning star is a three candle formation that shows exhaustion in the bearish trend. Morning star is a bullish pattern, while evening star is a bearish pattern. The morning star is usually indicated by a bearish candle and then a doji and then a bullish candle. So you can see what happened here, signaling that there is exhaustion in the bearish trend and a bullish reversal could be about to happen. Then evening star is just the opposite. A bullish candle, a doji, and then a bearish candle. All right. Now, we're also going to be looking at support and resistance rejection. Okay. Markets respect certain price levels, and when price rejects a key support or resistance zone, it's often a strong sign of a reversal. So if you see a reversal pattern aligning with these levels, resistance levels or support levels, then that could be a high probability setup. Okay, and then now we're also going to be talking about trend line break and retest, and this is an example that I already outlined here. If your market is trending, drawing a trend line can help you track it. Okay, but once that trend line breaks, like what's happened here, and price retests the level from the other side, like what is seeming to be happening, it can confirm that a reversal is underway. And then finally, volume confirmation. Volume confirmation. Another thing to watch is volume spikes. Another thing to watch is volume spikes at reversal points. If a strong engulfing candle forms at a key level with high volume, you can decide to show volumes. If you come to properties, you can just decide to show volumes, right? You can decide to show volumes. Now, if a strong engulfing candle forms at a key level with high volume, for example, it confirms that buyers or sellers are stepping in aggressively. Now, before you jump into trading reversals, here are some common mistakes to avoid. The first is entering too early. Just because you see a reversal pattern doesn't mean that the trend has fully changed. Okay, so you have to wait for confirmation. Secondly, you should not ignore market context for any reason. Okay, always consider the bigger trend. A small reversal in a strong trend might just be a pullback. All right, and then finally, do not neglect stop losses. If you're wrong, protect yourself. Okay, so place your stop loss beyond key levels to manage risk properly. All right, now let's just do a quick recap. When you want to trade reversals, look for reversal candlestick patterns. It is necessary. Okay, reversal candlestick patterns is necessary, like engulfing candles or pin bar. You can even see we have another pin bar around here, another pattern, long wake up. In fact, this seems to be an evening star. Yeah, this seems to be an evening star because we have a bullish candle, and then this can be a dragonfly doji, and then we have a bearish candle, and you can see that the price declined all the way to this point, right? So basically, look for reversal candlestick patterns. Then secondly, wait for price to get rejected around the support or resistance. You have to watch out for support and resistance rejection, like what happened around here, okay, to confirm reversals, and then use trend line breaks and retests, all right, to catch shifts in momentum. And also pay attention to volume confirmation for stronger signals. And finally, wait for confirmation before entering your trades. Okay, very important. Now, if you found this helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more powerful trading strategies. Also, drop a comment below. What is your favorite price action reversal pattern? Let us talk trading in the comments. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.